Hi everybody! Today I pulled out a ton of garden decorations. I wanted to go over them to make sure that they were all in good working order. I've come across a few unexpected things. This bird feeder, finch feeder, looks to be in good working order. However, these pieces, I pulled them out of my storage locker in the house, and this is what happened. I'm not sure how it happened or why, but I think I'm gonna need to E6000 that together. This one has a similar crack. This looks good, but I could paint that just to make sure it doesn't rust anymore. There's a few rust spots all over the place here. This girl in particular, she falls over all the time in the wind. She lost a few of these flowers. You can tell that it's rusting. So I think I'm gonna clean that up and spray that down. And this lovely chair, I thought I would like just as it is. I put a pot in this area right here. It fits perfectly, and then I make sure it has like a bunch of petunias in it, and it's gorgeous. Because the back of my fence over there is the same color as this, it just doesn't stand out, and you can't even tell that that's what it's in. So I'm gonna wire brush this, get most of all the rust that I can off of it. I'm gonna prime it, and then I'm gonna paint it. And I'll touch up a few other pieces as well. I'm pulling out 2 wire brushes, stainless steel for the rough spots, brass for the other spots. Nothing to it but to do it. Well, some time has passed and I was able to do quite a bit. I filled up my finch bird feeder. I filled up my sunflower seed feeder. I brushed the chair and wiped off all the rust dust. I will be going to the store to get some primer and some spray paint. I also brushed this and wiped this down to get it ready for spray paint. I also brushed and cleaned these. The back also has some damage. I fixed this bird. Something I found really interesting is that this chair used to be painted red. And you see the red color on there? I have that exact same color in spray paint, but I was really hoping to maybe paint this yellow or white. The jury is still out on this one. I won't know until I go to the store tomorrow. It's super windy. It's super cold, but I have the time, I have the materials, and I'm inspired. Oops, I guess I'm not prepared enough. Gotta fix that before I start. I'm about to transform this. I'm not sure into what, but it's gonna look better than it does right now. I'm gonna start off with a primer so that the final color pops. Okay, I have to see. Pinch and pull. It worked. Here goes everything, I guess. Shut your face. Look at that. Oh crap, it's coming right at you. I gotta move it. Yeah, it might be too cold. Yeah, but it looks so good. Woo. Yeah, it's blowy out. Oh, look at that. Look at the shape coming out. Isn't that nice? Maybe you guys can't see it because of the white snow. Would that be tragic? That kind of would be a bummer. Whew, at least the air is easier to breathe this way. Oh, I can feel it getting warmer. Yeah, probably like by a degree. Oh crap, I did it too fast. Now it's puddling. Crap. All I gotta say is I'm glad this isn't the final coat. Yep, coming right at you. Good thing I had that thing turned away. I gotta move it. Oh, that was a bunch of ice falling off of a roof. That's crazy. Getting warmer. Spring is almost here. I'm on the first round, but pretty soon we'll be able to turn it right side up and it'll be finished. It's been a long day. Not only have I been doing this project, I've been doing a plethora of other projects as well, and I'm tired. Here's one of the projects I've been working on, trying to remove the rust and spray paint the piece back to its original shape, but more on that later. Let's get moving on this one. All right, I know that the bottoms are dry, but I'm not sure about everything else, so did I miss a spot? I sure did. Oh yeah, it just looks wet. Let's see if we can get this looking pretty. Oh, she's looking pretty. Can't wait to put a plant in this thing. I washed it off, I filed it, I wiped it down, I primed it, painting it, and next I'm going to coat it with some frosted pearl clear coating. That way it just lasts a little bit longer. All right, I think she's done, at least for now. Here's your close-up. I bet you didn't even know how pretty it was until now, but now we know. Update, I just finished off this frosted pearl clear coat and I added a bit of sparkle to the mix. Don't know if you can see it, but I have literally sprayed this with glitter. Why did I spray it with glitter? Because why wouldn't I? So yeah, this is totally sparklified. Unfortunately, she got in a fight with some dirt. Her shoes look a little better. Her dress has been changed. Her crown is pink. Her hair is orange and yellow. On the inside, it's yellow. On the outside, it's blue. Her flowers are sprayed and she looks better than she did before. All of these are no longer full of rust. And I'm happy to put her in the garden again this year. I just need to stake her up a little bit so she stops falling over. There she is. Whoa, I almost tripped. Let's check out our tulips while we're here. Look at all those tulips. There's a mix of gold, orange, pink, white, blue, and yellow. But I hung her behind the house with my new sign from Hobby Lobby. I think these two pieces of decor will make the garden look very pretty. Something else I didn't get on video was I purchased this from Hobby Lobby on clearance. I didn't like the color of these, so I spray painted them gold. Remember when I said I was working on another project? Well, this piece has been in either my garden or my parents' garden for over 20 years, and it had seen its last legs. I wire brushed it, cleaned it up, spray painted it, put it back together, and it looks like new. Well, she didn't last very long up there. Hopefully you like the new changes that were made on these decorations. Hopefully you're making changes to your garden decor. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, love you guts. Bye.